Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marks video. Today we're going to be doing... End of part 1. Now, part 2, To Kill a Mockingbird, Betrayed by Budgie, or Betrayed. Calpurnia, what's for breakfast? Fruit. The entire breakfast later. I'm done, and there's enough fruit for later. Anyway, me and Jim are going to play now. Okay, now what? Hey, sorry I was gone. I had to help my aunt. With what? With stuff like grocery shopping and spring cleaning. What have you guys been doing while I was gone? Me and Scout both got BB guns. Cool. Me and Scout shot down many blue jays, but not mockingbirds. Why not? Because it's a sin to do that. Oh, okay. So anyway, let's go play in the woods. Sure. The entire walk to the woods later. And here we are. Hey, look at this cool stick I found. Cool, let's draw figures in the ground. The entire playtime later. Calpurnia. We saw Mr. Arthur's dog. He's acting kind of funny. Look, here he comes. What should we do? I guess there's a mad dog coming this way. I repeat, a mad dog coming this way. Many phone calls later. Guess what seems to be the problem? Arthur's dog has rabies. He's got it alright. Here you go, Atticus. You take care of it. Here you go, Atticus. Okay. Everyone get out of his way. Let's do this. Bang. Nice shot, Atticus. I am very impressed. Whoa, Atticus, I didn't know you were good at shooting. Your father used to be called Dead-Eye Shot. Of course, I'm not a fan of violence. So you quit to start a family? Yes, pretty much. Cool, let's go take a look at Arthur's dead dog. Don't get near that dog. He's just as dangerous as he is dead as he is alive. Okay, we won't. I'll have the veterinarian take him later. A few days later, I just got informed that Tom Robinson is going to be put in jail. That's horrible. Time to do the right thing. Also, don't tell Jim and Scout about this. I don't want them to worry too much about this. Okay, I won't. Good, I will work in my office about this. I'll be coming home late because of this trial. So make me extra food that I can take to work. Okay, Atticus. Later that same day. Hey, where did Atticus go? He has some things to attend to. But I'm sure he'll be back later around 12 in the night? Yes. Why so long? He has a court case to deal with. Okay, so that's why he's coming late? Yes. Later that night. Scout, get up. Huh? Oh, what happened? Let's go sneak out and see what Atticus is doing. Okay, just give me a second. And so, we're here. Come on, let's go in. Well, Atticus' office is being on the inside. I can't hear him coming. Quick, hide. So they've got a lot of paperwork to do. So it takes me all night. No. I wonder who could be knocking in the middle of the night. Who is it? You can come in, by the way. Mr. Cunningham, we have come to kill Tom. Wait, don't hurt him. Who are you? I'm Scout. Now please put the gun away. Fine, what do you want? And you know Walter Cunningham, he's your son, right? I beat him up once. Then we invited him over for dinner. He didn't mind it. Also tell him I said hi. Okay, I'll tell him you said hi. Come on, boys. Our work here's done. You're welcome, Atticus. Normally I'd be mad at you, but you saved me, so I'll let it slide. The next day. Mr. Cunningham tried to beat you up, so I'm going to beat up Walter again. You will not touch him. Mr. Cunningham was just misunderstood, okay? Now let it slide. Sigh, fine. A few days later. Scout Jim, I'm off to work. To defend Bird. Okay, bye. Bye. Now what? IDK. Wait, the trial is going to be later at 2 p.m. Okay, so let's invite Dylan and all three of us will sneak out and see the trial for ourselves. Yes. Okay then. 1 hour later. Y'all ready to go to the trial? Sure, let's go. Okay, let's be on our way. The entire walk later. We're here. This place is huge. Okay, let's go in. Wow, it's bigger on the inside. Sure is. Come on, let's go and hide in the colored balcony. Look, it's Atticus, Tom Robinson. Then over there's the other lawyer, I forgot his name. And of course, in the middle is Judge Taylor. The trial is about to start. 50% of the trial later. Wow. Dale, wait. Oh, did you not see how they treated him? Yes, I know, but that's all part of the trial. Hey, what's wrong, kids? They were mistreating a man. I know, that must be hard. Here, try this, maybe it'll settle you down. Okay. Be careful, don't drink too much. Wait, this isn't beer or wine, it's Coca-Cola. Really? Let me try. You're right, this isn't wine or beer, it's Coca-Cola. So you two feel good? I feel okay now. I feel better too. Let's go back into the courthouse. Okay. Alright, thanks for the Coca-Cola. Fine, you're welcome. The other 50% later. I can't believe you two snuck out like that. Oh, we just wanted to see the trial, California. I know, but please let me know next time, okay? You gave me such a fright. Okay, we're sorry. And so, we're sorry about earlier. See, can me and Jem be your friends? But you two already are my friends. What I mean is that can we come to your house with you? Of course, you can come anytime you want. Wait, really? Yes, really. Yay! The next day. Scout, Jem, yes? I'm going to church. Want to come with me? Sure. Entire walk to the church later. We're here. Please be on your best behavior, okay? Okay. The rest of church and walk back later. So what do you two think about church? I liked it. It was okay. Hey, California, why did Mr. Yule give us a weird look? I don't know. He's probably going through a hard time. Kind of like when Atticus exposed him. Of what? Him being a liar? Yes. The next day. I saw what happened back there. Bobby will spat all over you. It's okay. He got it all out of his system. I wouldn't be too sure about that. What do you mean? I would stay on your toes if I were you. Bob isn't finished yet. He'll come back to get you later. The next day. Well, Dylan, Saturday is your last day here with us. Yeah, I hope you have fun wherever you're going. It was fun being here too. Time to head back on a hiatus again. The next day later. And here we are. Again. Yep. And also don't talk to me at recess. Oh, okay. The next day later after school. I guess we're home. Oh, good, because someone came to visit you. Who is she? She's your Aunt Alexandria. And look, here she comes now. Hello, Jem. Hello, Scout. Hello. Hello, it's nice seeing you again. Hello, Alexandria. It's nice to see you here, too. I'm here to teach Scout how to be a fine young woman. What? Come on, help me unpack my stuff. And this is the room you'll be sleeping in. Scout slept in here once. She didn't do anything bad. Okay, I'll take it. 3 days later. Yay, it's finally the weekend. Let's go play. Let's go get out BB guns. Yeah, wait, what? Meanwhile. Atticus, your tea is ready. Hello, sir. Would you like some tea? Sorry, but I don't accept from Verb. Alexandria, don't treat her like that. Why, she is a verb. She's part of our family, and also, by the way, you're a bird too. And now, that was fun, I guess. Where are you going in such a hurry? I need to go tell Atticus something important. Can we come with you? No. Hey, let's go and hear what they're saying. Okay, and so, Atticus is just confirmed that Tom died. What? He died of fall damage. This is bad. We must inform the town right away. The next day. Hey, Scott, I'm going to buy something. Do you want to come? Okay, sure, let's go to the toy store. Okay, then let's go. We'll walk there later. Here we are. What are you going to get? I'm going to get this button. It looks really cool. Really pretty. What are you going to get, Jem? I'm going to get the steam engine. It looks nice. Okay, then, let's go. Almost the entire walk there later. I'm tired of Mrs. DeVos yelling at us all the time. Give me that baton. Hey, what are you? Stop, what are you doing? That will teach Miss DeVos for picking on us. But my baton, it's broken. Who cares? At least we taught DeVos a lesson. Now come on, let's go back home. And so, Jim, I saw what you did. Now go read to DeVos for 1 month. Do I have to? Yes. Can I come too? If you want, you can. 1 month later. Hey, look, a pretty pink flower. What does it mean, Jim? I don't know. It means everything is alright now. Come on, let's go home and eat. Later that same day. Hurry up, Scout, we don't have all night. I'm coming. It's not my fault Atticus and Alexandria are fighting. Fighting about what? Fighting about the other woman in the town. Oh, okay, so they came to hang out with us? Without Alexandra? I like the way they talked about Tom Robinson. They sounded mean, but worse is that you're becoming a man and you don't have time to play with me anymore. Yeah, so what? What do you mean, so what? I'll go play outside or something. Here, you're going to pay for that. Speed 3, 2, 1. Go. Hop. Ha. Ha. Hop. Ha. Oh. Woo. Ha. Oof. Hop. Ah. Whoa. Oof. Ha. Oof. You forced me to do something I really didn't want to do. Behold, the orb of sus. What? Laser noises. Game. Ow. Oof. Up. Guys, stop fighting and go to sleep. Yes, Atticus. What were we fighting about again? I honestly don't remember. Alright. Come on, let's go to sleep. We need to get something from the other room. To there and back. With a small glass of water, I'm ready to sleep. Huh? What did I just step on? What's that? And wait, Dale, is that you? Huh? Oh, Scout, I'm so happy to see you. Didn't tell your dad. I'll tell you to the store tomorrow morning. Okay? The next morning. My dad handcuffed me to a boat, but I managed to escape. I came to the circus, which then brought me closer to Maycomb. I ran away from the circus and hid under your bed. For at least 3 nights. I stole some food from the fridge when you weren't home. Oh, okay. Several months later. What, I forgot, okay? So you're going to take Dale to the river so you can learn to swim? Yep. It's time he'd be acting like a man. Oh, okay, bye. Later that same day. Well, this is it, Dale. It's time for you to get back to the big river. It was nice seeing you, Dale. This has been fun, but the time's now done. I'll see you next summer. Bye. I'm gonna miss him. Yeah, me too. A few days later. Oh boy, Halloween is coming up. I can't wait. Yeah, me too. A little later. Alexandria, Scout, Jim, I need to talk with you about something. What is it? Halloween will be a little different this year. What do you mean? Kids won't be going trick-or-treating this year. So instead, there will be a costume contest. Why? What happened? Well, last year some kids pulled a prank on Miss Rudy and Miss Tootie. What did they do? They put all furniture and put it in the basement. Oh, okay. Okay, so the TMS, they're in torn to get their costume scout. A little more later. You look outstanding, Scout. I feel ridiculous. The next day. And the winner is the kid in the grapes. I forgot his name. Later. It's okay, Scout. You get it your best shot. Rustling. Huh? What was that? Scout, run! Ah, grunt. That something is squeezing me. Loud punch. Flying thing. Distant screaming, guys. Walking. Huh? What is he carrying, Jam? Better go follow him. Bringing him back to our house. But why? Knocking on the door. Come in. Hello, Mr. Atticus. I found Bob beating up your son, so I saved him. Leave him on the couch. I'll call a doctor. Any phone calls later. I heard you talking about Jim. Will he be okay? He'll be fine. He's just had a broken wing, that's all. Also, Mr. Tate says that Bob ambushed you and that he fell on his knife. Oh, okay. So, who is he? He's Arthur Radley. Arthur Radley. Bob? Boo, is that you? Come on, let's go see Jim. Here he is. You can pet him if you want. Don't mind. I'll tell him all about it tomorrow.